Hey there, students. This is an announcement to let you know we are having our first quiz over your Renaissance outline notes this Friday. So this Friday, which is September 4th, double checked, you are having your first quiz that will cover sections 1 and 2 of your typed outline. So when I use the word section, I mean Roman numerals 1 and 2. Now, remember, you know what to study from those two sections because you've been keeping up with the highlighted material. So whatever you highlighted in the reviews, that is what you're focused on for the quizzes. And our first one is this Friday. So make sure between now and Friday, you are spending some time preparing for it. You're reading over your notes. If you need to make note cards, whatever study tool you use that has worked for you in the past, or if you haven't had one that works, you need to figure out one that works for you so that you will do well on this quiz. If you have any questions between now and then, please let me know, whether you're either in class or if you're from home, you can send me a message and I'll be happy to answer anything that you're unsure about. Okay? So get to studying because that quiz will be here before you know it.